Hello friends, and this is Ajay. Now I will explain the problems on logic deductions. So before going to answer the questions, first we need to know the basics of this topic, that is subjective and predictive parts of the preposition are called as terms. If we take an example, that is all fans are working, here fans and working are called as terms. And middle term, the term which is common in both of the statements. Distribution of a term, universality of a term is called distribution. Rule of deduction. In the conclusion, affirmative term descends as affirmative and negative term descends as negative. And these terms you will be more understand when you go through the problems. So these are the observations. I suggest you to once go through this, because if I explain now, then you won't be able to understand. And these are the 6 conditions that I will be explaining with the problems, and for each one I will explain with an example. So coming to the first one, sum plus sum that is equal to no conclusion. If we take an example, you will be given 2 statements. Some books are novels and some novels are not good. And these are the 4 options that will be given, and you need to find out the correct one. In both of the statements, sum is present. So we know that sum plus sum which results in no conclusion. So none of the statements will give for this answer. Therefore we can't say anything from this, and answer is none of the above. So you can directly say no conclusion when both 2 statements start with sum, because they have mentioned only some books are novels and some novels are not good. You can't say total books are novels or total books are not novels, and total novels are good or total novels are not good. So we can't predict anything. Coming to the second question, if both of the 2 statements start with no, then it results in no conclusion. So if we look at an example, here given the statements are no train is a bike and no bike is a cycle. In the above 2 statements, both start with no. No is present, so no plus no result in no conclusion. Therefore we can't say anything from this. So answer is none of the above. And not plus not also result in no conclusion. If you look at an example, some pens are not suitable and all suitable are not cheap. If both statements contain not word, then you can't predict anything from these 2 statements. So answer is none of the above. And coming to the third condition, conclusion should not contain the middle term. If so, it is invalid. If we look at an example, all phones are mobiles and no mobile is a cam. Here middle term is mobile. So if we go through the options, all phones are cams and some phones are mobile and no phone is a mobile. B in this sentence, B and C contain the middle terms. So definitely these 2 options cannot be the answer. Therefore answer can be either A or D. Coming to the fourth condition, middle term must be distributed at least once in premises. If not, no conclusion is followed. And these are the 4 cases that are considered with the middle term. If we look at an example, here S is fans and P is working. So if the middle term is distributed only once, then these are the 4 conditions that will be satisfied. And if the middle term is distributed twice, and condition that will satisfy. So if we look at an examples, all rats are elephants, some elephants are lions. Here in the first statement, S is rats and P is elephants. In second statement, S is elephant and P is lions. And these are the 4 options that we need to find out the correct one. In the first statements, only S is distributed, that is all rats are elephants. This statement is in the form of first one, that is all S is P. So for this statement only S is distributed, that is only rats is distributed. In the second statement, some elephants are lions. Now consider this statement with these statements and which one matches with the statement, then you find the corresponding conclusion. So here some elephants are lions, it matches with the third one, that is some S is P. So no conclusion can be said from this statement. And from these two statements we can say that middle term elephant is not distributed at least once also. And we know that middle term must be distributed at least once in premises. If not, no conclusion follows. So therefore we can't say anything from this. Answer is none of the above. So coming to the second case, statements are all books are novels and all novels are legible. So if we consider statements are in the form of all S is P. So in the first statement only books is distributed, and in the second statement only novels is distributed. And here the middle term is novel. So novel is distributed at least once. Now which matches with these things, that is if the middle term is distributed only once, then you find out the given sentence which matches with these conditions. Here both statements are with all. So the corresponding conclusion should be begins with all, that is find out the option which starts with all. Here options that start with all are two, that is A and B. All legible are books and all books are legible. Now you need to find out which one is correct. Here A is not the correct answer because it is in the reverse order, that is all novels are legible and all books are novels. That is not the question. All books are novels and all novels are legible, and that is we can say all books are legible only, that is B is the correct answer. Coming to the next question, given statements are all phones are mobiles and no mobile is a cam. Here middle term is mobile and it is distributed once, and it is in the form of all plus no. So the conclusion is starts with no. So now find out the options which starts with no, that is only C. No phone is a mobile. But here mobile is a middle term, so B and C are not possible for the correct answer. That is B and C cannot be the correct answer. But with the conclusion we got that C is the correct answer because it starts with no, but already it contains the middle term, so it cannot be the correct answer. So the answer is none of the above. And the correct answer for this question is no phone is a cam. And coming to the next question, given statements are some tests are books and all books are good. Here first you find out the middle term, that whether it is distributed once or twice. Here it is distributed once, so and it is in the form of sum plus all, that is first statement starts with sum and second one is with all. So the conclusion starts in the form of sum, that is all plus sum, which gives rise to sum. Now find out the options that start with the sum, and some texts are good and some texts are not good. Here the statements are not negative, so only A is the correct answer, that is some texts are good, and option A is the correct answer. Now if we look at another question, the given statements are some books are not text and all books are good. And here the middle term lazy is distributed once and it is in the form of no plus sum. That is no means here not is there, that is the negative statement. So no plus sum. Therefore the conclusion that is in should be in the form of sum plus not. B is the correct answer. And coming to the next question, no apple is black and all black is grape. Here the middle term black is distributed twice, so and it is in the form of no plus all. Therefore the conclusion that is should be in the form of no, and C is the correct answer. No apple is a grape. Even though here middle term is distributed twice, but it is in the form of no plus all plus no, which results in conclusion no only, whether it is distributed once or twice. If it is distributed twice, only this condition will satisfy. So the resultant conclusion should start with no. So the conclusion that is in the form of no is the answer, that is no apple is a grape, and option C is the correct answer. Thank you.